we found out there are 6 types of red flags in the budget. I'll show you. Kasi inumpisahan na namin yung ano. Number 1, red flag, walang station number. So you want us to analyze each and every project. Pero saan namin hahanapin to? Walang station number. Yung iba may station number, isa walang station number. So even though we enjoin the public, we encourage the public to look at that, hindi nila makikita kung nasaan. Construction of breakwater, Quezon. Saan sa Quezon? That's number 1. Number 2, may mga projects na duplicate. Exactly the same. Ito pinakita ko kay Senator Lacson yesterday. Rehabilitation of dike along O'Donnell River, Package 2, DS, Bueno Bridge 1, Right Bank, Capas, Tarlac. Parehong-pareho. Buong budget, maraming ganito. Yan, no? Red flag number 3. Okay. Naka-divide into phases. Parehong-pareho number pinakita kanina ni Senator Erwin. The same project description, iba-ibang phase, pare-parehong number, pare-parehong amount. Ang daming ganito sa budget, sa NEP. Next. Tapos may ibang term, may package naman. May phase, may package. Ito, ganun rin. Construction of flood control structure along Agos River, Package 10, Infanta, Quezon. Tapos isa, Package 11, Package 10. Bakit hindi nalang ginawa isang package? But dinivide into different packages. The same river, the same barangay, the same municipality. Red flag in next. Yung round amounts, sinabi ni Senator Erwin, kung meron siyang detailed engineering, hindi siya magra-round amounts. Hindi siya magra-round amounts. Iba lang, parehong barangay, iba lang yung sitio, pero si same amounts. Next. Yeah. Next ito, red flag number 5. May makita kami mga items sa merong specific code names. Yung ibang project walang code names, ibang project may code names. So, hindi consistent in other words. Next. And lastly, I think this is the worst. Ito yung the worst. The same project na sa GAAD 2025, the same project in nasa NEP 2026. Yan, the same. In 2025, construction of flood mitigation structure, Agoo River and Allied Rivers Package 1, Rosales, Pangasinan. In NEP 2026, ganun na ganun. Construction of flood mitigation structure, Agoo River and Allied River Phase A, Rosales, Pangasinan. The same amounts. So ang tanong ko, hindi naman siguro clerical error to. Diba? Sinadya to ilagay sa NEP. Diba? Ang punto ko, DBM should be more should reform its process and maging mas detalyado sa pag-a-analyze ng mga projects na pinapasok sa NEP. Ang nangyayari kasi, dinadala dito na lumalampas sa scrutiny ninyo. Dapat mag-scrutinize pa kayo ng maigi kasi very obvious naman to eh. Diba? Hindi siya clerical error, sinasadya itong ganitong panloloko ilagay sa NEP.